Hi everybody, in this video I am going to discuss ls command in Unix. Ls command is one of the important command in Unix. Ls command in Unix is used to list directory contents. It is one of the most frequently used command for navigating and inspecting the file system. It is one of the most important command for navigating and inspecting the file system. Next, the syntax. The syntax of ls command is ls. Then we need to write the options. There are different options. Options are created with the help of hyphen. And then the file or directory. We need to specify the file or we need to specify directory. Then the options are given below. First option is ls-l. This options -l is used for long listing format. Output is here -r w dash next r hyphen hyphen r hyphen hyphen. This means these are permissions. There are three permission here. One is owner, and this another is group, another is others. Hyphen mean first one is hyphen mean this one is for file. If there is any d, then this means directory. Then the owner has read permission, write permission, and no execute permission. Owner and group has read permission only, no others and group permissions. Next one is for other, they can only perform read operations. There one mean the link is one, user mean name of owner is user, group is user. 1200 is the size of the file. May1 is the last modification time. Here May1 and this 1000 and name of the file is file.txt. Similarly, here second option D directory and this one link by 2 user and size and then the last modification time and the document is directory name is documents. So this is the long listing format. Next, if we use ls-a, this means it will shows the hidden files that start with dot. Here output is dot, that's mean hidden file dot current directory, double dot means parent directory. So this is known as hidden file showing concept. Next, suppose I want to display long listing as well as hidden files, then we can use ls-la. It will show long listing. This is the long listing of output, the permission, link, user, group, size, and last modification time, as well as hidden files also. So this format is very useful for displaying long listing as well as hidden files. Next one, if we want to display recursive listing, then we can use ls-r. It will show the subdirectories or the files or recursive subdirectories and so on. So ls-r, it will show the recursive listing of all documents within a folder or within a system. Next, ls-t, it will show the file as sort by modification time. According to modification time, it will display the file name one by one. Is the first file is modified 10.05, then next one is 9.00. So last updation modified time according to the modification time. So it will show the file listing. We can use -ls-lt in long listing as well as modification time, sort according to the modification time. Next one, we can use ls-i, inode number. It will display the inode number. Unique inode number for each file or directories. ls-l 1 entry per line, so it will display 1 entry per line. ls-l. Next one is ls-d. It will show directories itself, not content. Only it will show the directories. Then these are the table, final table. If you use ls, this basic listing. ls-l mean long listing. ls-a mean hidden files. ls-h mean human readable site. ls-r mean recursive. ls-t means sort by time. ls-s means sort by site. ls-i means show inode number. ls-r mean recursive order. And finally, thank you very much for watching this video. Share and subscribe it.